Okay, well, Henny wants to check that out, and I want to go check this out over here. Some sort of little fairy house there. A tiny house. But I want to go check out what looks like a church over here. One more thing before we head out, I guess. We'll see. Maybe still on the way out, we'll see some more stops here, because the land is huge. See all the cottages up here? Those go on and on. I think there's like, I don't know, some sort of croquet. What is it, croquet? Croquet? I don't know. Golf. All sorts of stuff here. For leisure. For enjoyment. Okay, so this is what I want to go see inside. It looks like they got really nice glass. Like stained glass or some sort of glass work for the windows. Wow, look at that. I just don't know if it's open or not. Looks like a church. Look at those windows. That's pretty elaborate. Looks almost like Van Gogh-esque. I wonder if we can get in there. Yeah, it is. Still got the cross up there. Got crosses at the top of the stained glass windows. Let's see if we can get in there. No guarantees. I would love to see what it's like in here. Look at that old tree stump. Let's see what that. I bet it's locked. Church service. It tells you Sundays at 9 a.m. Oh, what would that'd be wonderful if they. It's wedding. It's closed for service. It says closed, but there's no one here. Oh, it's facing the other way though. Looks like we're in. I just want to see these gorgeous windows. Look at that. Let's get close up here. Yeah. I heard somebody up there. I hear some. What's that knocking? Wow. See, there's like a river with animals, flowers. Ooh, look at the monarch butterfly. Bluebird. Little Pastures Mountain, and then the sun right there. That's beautiful. I'm going to go up a little bit. Look at that. Wow, it's gorgeous. They have the part of the glass covered with this upper area. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this quality wood. What is this? Could be pine, I don't know. There's an oak. Nice, really knotty looking. Oh, that is gorgeous. Beautiful chandeliers. Even smells good in here. It smells just like wood, like lumber. Look at the beautiful pews, even just nice wood there. Oh, I could like hang out in here, I think, for a while. I'll just sit and wait for Henny, I think. Or maybe here, let's check out this little room here. Nice, peaceful little room here. What's in here? Dare I explore? Oh, after I keep exploring. This is allowed. Hopefully not locked down here. There's people down here. Nice carpeting. Wow. Oh, neat. Look at this old Bible. I remember these kind of drinking fountains in school. Look at that, all porcelain. I just tooted. Let's go this way. This has turned out to be a wonderful day of exploration. Wow. Oh, look, it goes back up. Where's this worse? No. Let's keep going here. There's no end to this. I bet I come back up into the church somewhere. Yep, I'm up on the... Oh, look at that. I'm up here now. That's cool. And then I can just go back down over there. All right. There's their multimedia setup, audio visual. Oh, we got an elevator out of service. Back down we go. All right, I think that's pretty much it. I think Annie will make her way here eventually. I'm gonna sit down and chill. And then we go off for some food.